Welcome to Rich for Purpose, where we are on a journey to get rich and find our purpose in life. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for updates, and comment on any content you would like me to go over. So basically in this video I'm going to talk about some news with Apple that went down today, as well as a couple upcoming earnings plays that I'm thinking about executing some trades on. Let's get into it. So Apple. Today's Apple stock dropped 3% on news that their chief security officer allegedly bribed two California police officers on getting four CCW permits, concealed carry permits for their employees. Basically, the security officer for Apple um, basically said that they wanted to get their a couple security officers on campus at Apple to protect their employees against any threats such as office shootings and stuff like that after that occurred at a different company. And allegedly the other two police officers withheld those CCWs from Apple, and then Apple um came back and bribed him with giving him 200 iPads or something valued at $70,000. So basically, it sound from reading the article and from looking into this, it sounds like the police officers are the ones. I mean, their office is the one that got raided on looking at their records and stuff, and it sounds like they're the ones in hot water and not Apple. Looking into the chief security officer for Apple, basically the guy has a background in law. He served the country. He does not seem like someone that would be dumb enough to bribe two police officers for CCWs. And if he was going to bribe them, he wouldn't do it in such a dumb way to where it would make news like this and be harmful to the company. So basically, my opinion on this is that this news should have not dropped a $2 trillion company 3%. I think they're going to shake this off, no problem. I think this is no big deal at all. I think Wall Street just overreacted. Um, so what I would like to see is Apple to pull back to 109, 110-ish, and then I would like to go ahead and buy some calls to the upside. However, if they don't pull back any further than this, I would be totally comfortably buying a 117 call for December 11th at 183. I was looking at that play. I think it's valued good. Um, I would like to see them pull back more before I execute on that to get a better price or to get maybe get lower. But if I have to do it here, it's totally cool with me. I think that that play, I think that's a good one. So basically for this upcoming week, I wanted to go over a couple earnings coming up. We've got Best Buy and Dick's Sporting Goods, but they're reporting before hours, before market opens, so it's too late to get into those trades. However, a continuation play is possible, so I just want to let you guys know on those. And if I execute anything on those, I'll leave that in an update. So after hours for tomorrow, though, we've got Autodesk, VMware, HP, and Gap. So Autodesk, it's a bit pricey. However, I really do like this company a lot. Um, and I don't know how to price in their earnings move right now. Um, but basically, I would like to add this to my long term. Um, however, their option chain is quite pricey. So um, maybe a credit spread on that. Um, but we'll see. We'll if I do a play on that, I'll let you guys know. But that one's kind of pricey for me. VMware, this one could be a good one actually. I was looking at this one. This one could move, especially if they talk about their blockchain stuff in their earnings calls, and then the algorithms pick that up and move on that. So this one could be a good mover. Um, but again, like a lot of these companies, if their guidance and it is not that good, then it could wreck them. However, I think that VMware will be a good play tomorrow. When I execute that trade, I'll give you guys an update. So make sure you guys subscribe to get that update. Um, so I honestly, out of all these plays I looked at, I think these two are the best. The HP and Gap. So HP, I know it's moved a lot in the past week, in the past month. However, um, with everyone in lockdown and stuff and adjusting to living at home, a bunch of people had to buy computers and stuff like that, which is why I expect Best Buy to absolutely kill it tomorrow. But I think HP's gonna do good. I think they're gonna beat estimates. I know that they're pretty consistent and they're not a big mover, but I think in this environment right now, they will surprise, and that this one could potentially be a good play. However, let's get into the Gap because I'm pumped about their earnings tomorrow. I think this one is gonna be the winning trade of the week for me, depending on how I play it tomorrow. So basically, I bought a $25 call and seven $40 calls. I bought these way back. When I bought the stock, I bought 20 shares and then I sold half of them to make them free so when they were $11 is when I bought these calls. But basically, it was when Kanye West, the news came out that he was gonna start designing clothes for Gap or something, is when I bought these. So I bought two of these and I already sold one and got a profit on it. So this one's completely free for me. And I bought these for $10 a long time ago. They were dead. They came out of the grave since their recent run up. However, tomorrow, depending on how the price moves, I might sell out of this one and then I might buy some puts. Um, I will I will update you guys and let you guys know on which way I do play that tomorrow. But I am very pumped about Gap. I think that one is going to move a lot more than people think, and I think it's going to be a good one. So HP and Gap are, I mean, I like the lower costing plays. That's just my strategy and how I've done it. So like the VMware and the Autodesk, those I have profited off of plays like those, usually with credit spreads. Um, However, I like to keep them small because again, my strategy, I expect to lose 4 out of 5 options trades, and the one I win, I try and get 1,000% out of it. So, um, I hope you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow on plays I make and stuff like that. And have a good one. I'll see you later.